need the simplest and most cost-effective way to add up to 24 ports of passive PoE or PoE Plus compatible power to your existing network or non-PoE network device, stick around to see the GPOE-24B. The GPOE-24B is not another high-priced, over-engineered switch with network settings and specs you need a degree just to understand. It's a midspan injector that's compatible with any switch. The GPOE-24B is our largest gigabit mode B injector for infrastructure applications like wireless internet service providers, security camera installations, or anywhere you need to cost-effectively add always-on PoE. Let's see how to install this guy. It fits into 19-inch racks. Today, I'm demonstrating the installation of our 24-port injector with our 24-port PoE Plus switch, the GPOE-24B 390W. The injector takes up 1 unit of a 19-inch rack, and the power supplies, optionally included, install in the back. The data input ports are on the top of the injector, so you will want to install the injector below the switch. Then connect the power supply in the back. You can use up to 2 power supplies reaching 240 watts by connecting power to both the DC barrel jacks. Finally, you connect a jumper cable from your switch to a data port on the injector, and the corresponding PoE port you connect to your device. I'm using a PoE tester to demonstrate that the PoE port has power immediately with no negotiation. This passive 24-port injector is perfect as the low-cost alternative to add PoE compatible power to any non-PoE or PoE switch, where passive always-on power makes the most sense. If you need PoE Plus or PoE Plus Plus, meaning 60 watts of power, check out our other videos about our 24-port PoE options to fit any applications. Subscribe to keep up to date with all the innovations from PoE Texas. You can also find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and now Reddit. Check us out, and we'll see you all next time.